Hello dear guys, my name is Kristina Rogozina and welcome to my dance channel KNpax. I wanted to make this video about support. This idea came to me long time before, and the more I was thinking about this, the more I was confused. So in this video we will talk not only about support, but also we will go to Indian Ocean and to Amboli waterfalls. Now in Goa, weather is changing, rain season getting over and more sunny days on. Water and ocean also different. More local tourists coming here because international borders still closed. So now are last days when you can see empty beach. By the way, you can call this big water as sea or ocean in same time, because southwestern India is washed by Arabian Sea, which is part of the Indian Ocean. Start. We came to shoot some idea of Nipun. And I also joined. Nipun edited these videos on one Hindi song. You can see it on our common channel. Here is just small piece. I hope you like to be with us on beach, and now I want to share some of my thoughts about support. After I started to work mostly online, I started to have more focus on account statistic and analysis. So when I become more active, I start to notice that some people with whom we know each other a long time before, were dancing together or were working in one field, they start unfollow me. In first I was sad, but I start to think why it's happening. Before, I never tried to promote myself that much how I'm trying to do now. So in this time, when I mostly need support, some people gone unexpectedly. And I decided to go more deep in this subject, was listening more psychologists, was meditating about this information and realized some things. First is about ability to be happy for other people's achievements. What is for me success of others? It's when life showing me options and proving that everything is really possible. Energy of happiness, it's a resource, it's power, it's motivation for us. But we think we have full rights to criticize what other people do. Well, if we're doing this from love side, from heart, then it can be helpful, it can be constructive. But oftenly it's hiding some negativity emotions like jealous or we're not accepting opinions of others. Sometimes I'm meeting people who from beginning suddenly saying bad or gossip about some colleagues. And in this time I think, what if they will say same about me behind my back? So no one really want to collaborate with like this kind of people, because it's difficult to trust them. And my first rule, which I try to follow, never say bad about other people and about their work. Try to find best sides in them and to be happy for their success. And my second realization is about never depend from reactions and thoughts of others. I know when I get appreciations, support, compliments, I become much happy ready to hug everyone, and I'm so grateful. I even cannot express my feelings in words. And when I see different reactions on my work, people unfollow, then I have totally different spectrum of feelings. It means I'm addicted from reactions of others. And no matter that I was thinking all my life that I'm so confident, so independent person, but I'm addicted. From where we have this? I want to share what I understand. Man has always lived in tribal, so subconsciously the laws of the tribe still working for us. It means when our decisions are based on society opinion. Only on this fact is made all advertisement and build marketing. One more factor that for growing independent, healthy, confident people, parents from the very beginning should support their child in everything. Unfortunately, most of us did not have like this support. Usually, parents want best things for their children. But it's missing main fact that only person itself can know what better for him. Constant doubts about own abilities transferring after to adulthood. So from here come laziness, procrastination, lack of self-realization, and also our hunger to get approval from outside. So my second rule is to be your own judge. It's still good to give attention on positive sides, which given to us great energy resource for creativity. Rule number 3. Focus on creation but not on consumption. We watched a very interesting new movie where employers of famous corporations like Google, Facebook, they're telling about backside of online world, about how all our psychological moments calculated to make us to buy more and consume more. And I think we can easily notice how we're killing hours of our priceless life just by using our gadgets without any consciousness. So for myself, I found like this way to focus more on embodiment of my ideas, to be mostly translator and very less consumer. Really guys, we can spend our amazing life on more interesting and useful things. We can make our life of people around our world more beautiful and kind. Actually, this period is quite unstable energetically. It's surely connecting with world situation, life is changing, and best things which we can do for ourselves is to enjoy life and relax. Best way to do this is to spend time in nature. In next part of this video, we will take you with us in our beautiful green trip to Maharashtra waterfalls. Before that, I want to say thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to put like, to subscribe my channel. Let's support each other. See you soon. For our trip, we woke up early morning at 6 a.m. Парень, ты почему домой не идешь никак? But left home anyways late. It was already sun, but still very empty roads. In starting of our trip, we had some story with baby monkey. You can see this on our channel about animals. Then more higher road takes us, then more amazing and beautiful views become around. It was so amazing to see green valley, waterfalls, listen water, birds and silence. This is main waterfall but also a lot of people around. Some boring selfie and stop for lunch. So what we have for lunch?
We have bread, pesto sauce, peanut butter, tomatoes, sandwich.
On the way to the main destination, we visited very old temple. And again we're going higher. Just before this stop, we met wild, huge cow, gaur. А у детей?
Мы себя чувствуем путешественниками.
And finally, our main destination. Amazing infinity valley and 6 waterfalls. Эй, малыш! Хватит жевать пакет. Unfortunately, ecology situation in India is very low. And only we, people, can change it.
Zato zamaya manupalaya venzazato tenupa titadrilo mebawa sutukayo mebawa supokayo mebawa anurakto mebawa sarva siri mentrayatsa sarva karma zutsame sitam sharia kuruhum ha ha ho bagawen sarva tata gata benzamame munza benzibawa mahazamaya zato Benzazato zamaya manupalaya benzazato tenopa titadrilo mebawa sutukayo mebawa supokayo mebawa anurakto mebawa sarva siri metrayatsa sarva karma zutsame sitam shriya kuruhum ha ha ho bagawen sarva tata gata benzamame munza benzibawa mahazamaya zato benzazato zamaya Zato tenopa titadrilo mebawa